The house is due for a thorough clean. Like, it literally needs some TLC, and I just thought, why not give it what it desperately needs?
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Guys, it's been long cleaning this entire house. Morning guys, hope you're all doing very well. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I need to quickly deep clean the house. The house is due for a thorough clean. Like, it literally needs some TLC, and I just thought, why not give it what it desperately needs? I have my hoover here already. I have my mop here already, so I'm ready and set to go. The weather is changing, or rather the season. Yeah, the season is changing. We're getting more into spring. There's some sunshine, which we love over here. So I just thought, yeah, it's a good opportunity to just do like a spring deep clean. It takes me about an hour roughly to actually clean the whole house. So my room, the living room, the bathroom, the kitchen, and the hallway. It takes me an hour, but when I'm recording, it takes me slightly longer, as you would expect, because I mean, I'm having to pause to position the camera, move the tripod, and all of that stuff. So it takes me slightly longer, but I just thought, why not bring you guys along with me whilst I clean? Because I mean, it's gonna be more fun, right? Yeah, so hopefully this motivates you guys to also step up, or rather get up and also clean your house. I'm sure it's due for a deep clean as well. I'm pretty sure your house is due for a deep clean. Let this my video motivate you, okay, to go and clean your house. Don't just watch me whilst you're playing my video. Also be cleaning your house, okay? Okay. All right, guys, let me stop talking now so I can save my energy for the actual work. I will see you guys once I'm done. By the way, this fit is fitting, is it not? All right, guys, see you all later. Bye.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
You call me after the questioning, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh, my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord. Oh, it changed my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all because 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, I got you.
Sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah. Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn. Let it burn. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let it burn. Oh, gotta let it burn.
You call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like we was it more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I'm gonna cry, but the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another bag, give me another hour or two. Why you bothering me when you know you don't want me? Why you bothering me when you know you got a woman? Why you hitting me when you know better? Know you better, know you prove better than you do. Got me looking for ya, I be looking for ya. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure, baby, sure. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love wherever we want. It don't matter. We do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's about love, love, love. Long as we got
We'll be mad. The nations are waiting. The people are hungry. Oh, the master is in need of vessels. So I pledge my allegiance to the one who has called me. Oh, we will make Jesus proud. We'll be. Hey. Oh my gosh, that is a victory dance. I am so knackered. So I don't even know where this energy is coming from. Oh, guys. It's been long cleaning this entire house. I'm not even sure what motivated me to decide to clean. But anywho, I'm glad that I finally cleaned the house. Like I said earlier, it's been in need for some TLC, for some deep cleaning. So I just thought, why not today? But yeah, currently so tired. Need to freshen up, shower, and just chill basically. It took me, I think, just under 2 hours, maybe an hour and 45 minutes or so. Usually if I'm not filming, it takes me an hour. But since I'm filming, like I said, because of the movement and whatever, it takes me slightly longer. But all in all, I'm happy and I'm glad I cleaned the house. Everywhere smells so fresh. Everywhere smells so nice. Like, oh my gosh. I love it for me. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because I don't want this to be too long. So this is just going to be a clean my house with me, clean my apartment with me kind of a vlog, hopefully. Yeah, but if I get up to anything and I feel like I need to put it here, I will. If not, I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, hope I motivated you guys to go and clean your house also. I hope I did. I hope you didn't just watch it for watching sake, but I hope it also motivated you to clean your house. All right guys, let me stop yapping. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.